DJI Mavic Mini, Ohio, and Ellie. Got that coming up next. The end of last week and last weekend, Valerie and I took some time and went up to Ohio to spend with this precious 4-month-old named Ellie, our granddaughter. We also had a wonderful time visiting with my sons, Will and Peter, and my daughter, Victoria, and her husband, Andy. But of course, you know who the star of the show was, this beautiful young lady named Ellie. Well, my son-in-law is very interested in drones, knows a lot about them. I took the Mavic Mini up with me. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to roll a clip. Now, Andy and I went outside. It was rather cold. He needed coats. It was about 29 degrees. And I went ahead and demonstrated to him how to use the Mavic Mini. And then we had some company. Let's go ahead and roll that clip right now. And it tells you, it's down there in meters, but it's telling you its height and its distance that it's away from you.
That's cool. It's so quiet too. Does it have the same range as the?
This has a smaller range because it uses Wi-Fi for its signal.
Oh, okay.
And I still can see it. I mean, that's what you're supposed to do. Now watch this.
Oh, the return to home.
And you see it automatically orients itself.
And then flying back home.
Here's your house right there.
That's so cool.
There it is. Now let's see how far it's off target. That's my thing. Now it looks like it's going to go way over where you're supposed to be, but it's not. Okay. So it's landing now. So we're going to take a look and see where it's going to end up. And you kind of like don't know until the last second where it's going to land. Now the other ones have precision landing on it. It's real accurate. This one looks like it's going to be off. Yeah. Like I backed out of it.
About 3 feet though.
That's not bad.
For a little mini drone, that's pretty nice.
But we'll just do this.
Oh, she's in her monkey suit.
Yeah, I thought we'd come outside for a minute. I've never actually watched Dad fly it before. Maybe we can see what the numbers are.
And you can fly side to side. That's what I'm doing right now. It's flying side to side. No, I'm doing something just a little different, and then can turn it around and get a different orientation and a different view. And I'm going to give it a little more altitude here.
Yeah, it sounds like a swarm of bees. Yeah, that's what it sounds like.
But I don't want to have like 2 contracts and just have a contract just for my.
Is it returning to home?
Yep.
Right there.
Oh.
Now watch. Now it looks like it's going to way overshoot where it's supposed to go, but it doesn't. Now with my other drones, it pretty much will land on the spot.
And that shows you what it's seeing,
That,
right?
that tells you everything. That's the record button.
Yeah.
On here. Like I can.
And you recorded it, right?
And I recorded that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now this is the takeoff button. When I hit this, and I touch that button, it automatically takes off.
Okay, look at us.
There's us. There's us.
Hi. Hi, robot.
Get the baby in it. I'm sorry. Get Ellie in it.
Get Ellie in. Ellie's in there. Ellie's in there. Look. What's funny is, I can put this on a video because this is record. I have a screen recorder on my phone right now. It's picking us all up. So, Ellie, this is your first time. You remember what does Grandpa always say? It's a great day to fly.
Or it's a great day for hockey.
It's a great day for hockey.
Oh, that made me jump. It's like it's coming for me.
Well, see, this one doesn't have any obstacle avoidance. My other ones, it'll stop. It'll go nuts when you get too close.
I remember watching that video.
You're so dirty.
And you were walking it like around a tree or something,
Mm-hmm.
and it stopped.
You want to
It
come
shifts
to Mommy?
over and then goes forward and then shifts over a little bit more.
Mommy just likes her warmth.
All the time, by law, you have to maintain what's called visual line of sight. See, I'm flying this back manually here, okay?
Oh, so there's like a home button and then it knows.
Yeah, like... Now see, when I hit this,
Is that the home button?
and I hit return to home, and you hear the beeping, and then it says return to home, and it comes back. Now it comes back. What the GPS coordinates do, it's supposed to hone in on near where this is, but the other drones, what they do, the camera takes a picture of where it took off from, so it matches. It's smart enough to match the position of where it took off from,
Oh, that's
and that's
cool.
how it lands accurately. That's how that works.
Well, and that makes sense why it's within 3 feet.
Yeah.
Because I mean, you're using just grid coordinates.
It's like a helipad.
See, I canceled it.
That's how you get to hit more buttons. Do you know what you want for Christmas, Andy?
I've been wanting to get one for a while.
Well, I know somebody that knows stuff about drones.
Now, how much was this one with the Flymore kit?
It was $4.99. Without the Flymore kit, was $3.99. Well, much to my surprise, my daughter Victoria bundled Ellie up, got her outside, and all of us got out there, and we took a family portrait. Now, I brought the Mavic Mini as close as possible to Ellie. My daughter remarked, and you probably heard how it kind of scared her, but we had a lot of fun. And I think I may have sold my son-in-law on getting a Mavic Mini. I think Victoria may be getting him one for Christmas. Question of the day. What did you think of my flight with the Mavic Mini in Ohio and my granddaughter watching her first drone flight? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also be sure to check out my Twitter account where I do post daily updates and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.